Hey guys, welcome back to another cleaning video. Today I'm cleaning my downstairs living spaces, so if you're needing some cleaning motivation, just come along with me. So I just started out by picking up the stuff that was all over the floor and the couches, and now I'm just wiping down the surfaces with this pine sauce spray. How many of you struggle with paper clutter? Because I sure do. That's one of the things that I hate tackling, is filing away, sorting through, and tossing paperwork. It's just a big chore for me. So anyway, I have piles upon piles of paper here and stuff that I need to go through, but I'll save that for another time. I won't bore you guys with that. So for now, I'm just setting it aside. Every few months I will give my fans a good cleaning just because they get so dusty, and of course they're always on during the summertime, but now that it's cooled off we don't always have it on, so just giving this a wipe down. So fun fact here, I was actually on call for work on this particular day, so I decided to start filming a cleaning video, and lo and behold, I got called into work. So I don't get to quite finish cleaning this room on this day, so you'll see a little bit different of a clip coming up. This was actually about as far as I got. I was able to clean the shutters, move some of this stuff around, and as you'll see, I get a close-up clip of how dirty it was, but unfortunately you don't see me cleaning this area up. But I did vacuum it really quick before I went into work. So fast forward about a week later, I'm at it again, this time cleaning off some of the surfaces. So I've got just a Norwex rag with some water, cleaning off the TV screen and the little fireplace glass there. And then I am going to go ahead and dust the entertainment system once more, and I'm using this Home and Planet multi-purpose cleaner from Target. It's in the rose scent. It smells really good. So sorry that you're seeing this again, but it did need cleaning again. Moving on to the floors, I'm just taking this carpet deodorizer. I always get this stuff at the Dollar Tree, or you can get it at Walmart as well. And I'm just sprinkling that onto the carpet. It makes it smell nice and fresh when you vacuum it up. And then once again, picking up all my kids' stuff that's all over the floor. And now I'm just gonna vacuum the flooring and then also clean it with my little spray mop. Moving on to the living room area, I'm going to do the same thing, and then I'm going to wipe down the furniture while the carpet deodorizer soaks into the rug. I found all kind of stuff over here. I found a sticker on one of the speakers, and then I noticed something inside this vase, and I tipped it upside down, and it was my son's socks. So yeah, he hid those in there, found them. It's kind of funny. So this will probably be one of the last videos that you see with my fall decor. I'm not quite sure when I will decorate for Christmas just yet. Usually I do it before Thanksgiving because many times we do host Thanksgiving and we don't always host Christmas. And I just love having all that stuff up in my house when we have guests over. So when do you guys plan on decorating for Christmas? Are you one that waits until the day after Thanksgiving, the traditional way, or do you like to decorate early? I actually know some people who already have their Christmas stuff up in the middle of October, so yeah, it just depends, to each their own, and that's okay. Here I'm just having my youngest help clean up his little mess that he's made over here, and he helps a little bit, but as you can see, he puts up a little fight and acts like he's tired and he can't do it, so I just come in and swoop it all away. I'm just finishing it off doing the floors. So if you guys have made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching and for all of your support. Keep watching through the end. But if you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. If this is the first video you're seeing, I do all kind of different videos on my channel. I have cleaning videos, grocery hauls, lifestyle videos. So yeah, I would love for you to join my YouTube family. So go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. And while you're at it, click that notification bell and it'll notify you anytime I upload a new video. Alright, that's it, you guys. That wraps up today's cleaning video. Hopefully this has brought you some motivation to clean your house today. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up.